So I learned this trick from Eddy Family Farm. You get your post driver and flip it upside down with the hole facing up. You might need 2 people, but sometimes you don't. You put it just like this. Then you push the post forward. So it's like that. You can't move it or anything. And you just gotta pull it.
Yeah. There you go.
Wait.
You gotta give another bite on the, go down another knob.
Yeah, you pulled it up and out some. There you go. Blake, he needs you to
Push. There we go. Alright.
Yep. Oh, that was it. Pretty cool trick you learned.
No back.
Pretty satisfying.
No back breaking, he says.